So getting to 1,500 followers on TikTok was much easier than I thought. I literally had no skills, I didn't dance, I just posted random things and we made it. Much easier than you think, just because now it's sort of the best time to grow your TikTok account. As well, it's still pretty early in the game, as well as I really utilized a lot of hashtags. I sort of gained a lot of tips and tricks throughout the journey. But yeah, I documented the whole journey on how it went from 0 to 1.5k. I showed you guys sort of me learning throughout the process, my sort of critical thinking, what was going on through my mind on the new things I learned and gained throughout this journey. Like, I didn't know how to hack the TikTok algorithm when I first started. I had to figure it out. But then I knew that if I just kept at it, I'll slowly figure it out. And I was luckily able to document the whole journey. And that's sort of why I'm very excited to release this series. So this is going to be episode 1. Before we jump into today's episode, let's start by announcing last video's winners for $1,000 worth of courses or consultant calls with me. The winner's here. If you guys want to qualify, all to do is drop a comment below, follow me on Instagram, hit the subscribe button, and I'll be picking the best comment every single video. Other than that, let's get right into today's video. So here's a screen recording of me filming a video, having a sort of meeting with my editor Sven, who helps me with my YouTube videos, and here's a video of me telling him how I wanted to get into TikTok. So here's the very cool introduction. Hey Sven, so yeah, this is the TikTok, this is my Instagram, Andy Q My. Yeah, I want to start growing this, and I think it should be easy because it's only roughly 6 to 15 second videos, and like every single video we upload every day, we could probably make 3-4 TikToks out of, and upload 3-4 TikToks every single day, and just be really good with hashtags. So let's look at Gary V's channel. 1.3 million. Every single video has like a lot of views.
Would you mind tweeting about it to your 900,000 friends?
Good hustle. I'm obsessed with hustle, right? But see, even though I just gave it in
So what
really
I like to do is I like to
talk,
look at the caption to see what
You went
hashtags
for-
he uses.
What's the RO?
That's a good way to find out the best hashtags. Now another thing we can do is we could search, say, e-commerce. And then here are all the videos for e-commerce, and as you can see, you know, this guy has 2,000
All right, guys,
likes on this
everybody
video.
that follows me on.
Go to his page, 5,000 followers. His videos are getting, you know, some are a few hundred, but like this is decent amount of sort of views, and he has a lot of followers for just posting like not that
$1
much.
million with
Now let's see how
Facebook
to find out the
ads.
day of each post. That's what I want to find out.
Okay, so that's
So
say
I'm
that you
still trying
found
to
a
learn
product
how to
that you
use
want
the
to
app as
sell.
well.
You have your store up
But you can
and
see
running.
these hashtags
Now
like
you
Facebook
want
ads,
to know
e-com,
you want to run
Shopify.
ads
So those are the hashtags that we'll be using.
here.
For example, let's go to this guy.
Volevo comprare un materiale.
This guy's verified, 20k followers, and yeah, his videos very simple. So we might want to copy his sort of style, maybe.
È una frase bellissima. Le
No hashtags here.
azioni migliori. Come
No
facciamo?
so this, he doesn't even use hashtags. And then he links his YouTube. So let's check how big his YouTube following is. Wow, okay, so that makes sense. His YouTube following is 500k. So he's able to get 19k there. But there's like no competition for e-commerce. But obviously this niche, it looks like it isn't that big. So we'll have to get to like more, say, business. Interesting. More meme-like content. So I reckon play around. We'll try to upload like, say, 6 to 15 second video every single day, maybe even 2, because we just have so much content, and we just like post every day and try to grow our following. And as you can see, all those people that had 5k, 10k. Let's get to business. Let's get to users maybe. Wow. 11k. It's crazy how they're getting followers, but their videos aren't even getting that many views. Very interesting. So this guy I know. Wow, 700k. But he does funny videos. Let's type say entrepreneur. These are a lot of different entrepreneurs. They all have sort of, this lady has, whoa, this guy has 2K likes. But yeah, we just gotta sort of figure out how to grow our TikTok, try different hashtags. And yeah,
If I
that's
paid you
my plan.
$100 to wear one backpack for the next 3 years, would you do it?
Yeah, use Gary Vee.
If I paid you $100,
Definitely want to follow Gary Vee, sort of. But yeah, that's sort of my thoughts. That's sort of the first sort of me getting to TikTok. I knew that it was big. Gary Vee kept on pushing it. I went ahead and installed it, had 0 followers, got my tag Andy Kumar. I went ahead and filmed a video of me sort of trying to figure out the algorithm, use hashtags, search different things, look at other competitors, and I went ahead and told my editor my ideas and thoughts on what we could go ahead and do. And then right after I did that video, I went ahead and posted my first TikTok video. You know, a lot of people, they're scared of new platforms, they don't post anything. The fastest way to learn is just jump right into deep end, post something, try to figure it out, and that's sort of the fastest way to learn. So I went ahead and posted my first video. Alright, so this is the video of me starting my TikTok account. Very simple. I already got 1 follower. I'm just following random people within the entrepreneurial niche and sort of just trying to figure this out and just learning how to use the app in general. But you know, I think it's all about like, you know, hashtags. You know, one of my friends just followed me. This person, no idea how he found me, but he's following me. Got 1 view on the video. Using hashtags, I think the trick is just using trending hashtags. Maybe that's it, just looking through trending hashtags and just posting videos related to it. I'm not too sure, but I'm gonna sort of figure this out and document my journey, and let's see how easy it is. And then bam, check this out, me sort of taking that leap and just posting something randomly. This one post, my first ever post, got 273 views, as you can see. Like, that's insane. Like, that was my first ever post. Like, you can't get that many views on Instagram organically. So that was pretty crazy. And here's a video of my thoughts about it. I was pretty shocked myself. Can you imagine that? The video I just posted yesterday and organically got 281 views, which is insane. And like, yeah, check out the view. Can't wait to get the top comments, likes. Like, I'm getting views organically. This is more than I get from my YouTube. Given that, you know, it's really short and sort of under 60-second videos, you know, TikTok is organically showing my content out, which is pretty insane. Got a comment here. Oh, interesting. There's things such as live. Interesting.
I'm a little
She has 1.2k people watching her.
gonna cry.
Damn, this is pretty crazy. Okay, interesting. So there's things live. But yeah, that's pretty insane. So I'm gonna go ahead and just post boomerangs from my images, post videos from my Instagram, just see how this goes. Just keep posting really good content. That's sort of the goal, and use hashtags. I don't know how to get followers. I don't know why people aren't following me. But yeah, that's the plan. I'm also gonna attach my Instagram, attach my YouTube already. I'll attach my Instagram next, so everything can trickle down. Also got a business account, so I can see analytics, but I think there's just not enough time at the moment. I need to give it time to actually see the data, because everything is not applicable at the moment. But yeah, that's the update so far. But yeah, that's episode 1. I went ahead and sort of showed you guys what happened over the first few days, how I went ahead and just posted things straight away, how I started trying to figure it out, how I had a meeting with my editor, how we wanted to post a lot of content on our TikTok account. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the first episode, where it's just sort of me figuring out, and the biggest tips I guess is just jumping right into it, getting started and posting your first video. Over the next few videos, you'll see what I did to really get to that 1,000+ following count, all the things I learned, all the tips and tricks. That's going to come soon. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the first episode. I'm very excited to give away every single thing I learned, so you guys could go ahead and copy it. And remember, I had no skills. I literally have no skills whatsoever. I didn't dance, I didn't sing, but I was able to hit 1,000+, so can you. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow with more value. Question of the day. Do you have TikTok? Drop your answer in the comments below. I've been answering every single comment of that. Hope you guys have an amazing day and I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow. Peace.